If the thought of majestic Alps, rich imperial heritage, and stunning landscapes makes your heart beat faster, explore Austria. From grand castles to tranquil lakes, uncover the most beautiful must-visit attractions that make this country a traveler's paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite destination. Let's dive in. Starting in Vienna, Schönbrunn Palace is Austria's crown jewel. This Baroque masterpiece was the summer home of Habsburg emperors. With 1,441 rooms and sprawling gardens, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To book guided tours of Schönbrunn Palace and other must-visit attractions, check the link in the description. Next, Hohensalzburg Fortress in Salzburg. Perched 120 meters above the city, this 11th century castle is one of Europe's largest and best preserved. Explore its medieval chambers and catch panoramic views, perfect for history buffs and Instagrammers alike. Picture-perfect Hallstatt sits on Lake Hallstatt's edge. Known as the Pearl of the Alps, this UNESCO-listed village boasts a 7,000-year-old salt mine and a stunning skywalk. Its postcard beauty will leave you speechless. Rev up for the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. This 48-kilometer drive climbs to Austria's highest peak at 3,798 meters and delivers unforgettable thrills for nature lovers. With 36 hairpin turns and jaw-dropping glacier views, it's a road trip like no other. Open May to October.